This is Lisa with Custom Creations by Lisa Jane. Today we're just going to make a simple chamomile tea. First you need a cup, then you'll need a tea ball if you're using dried leaves like I am. Then you need the herb or a tea bag, and then of course you need the hot water. So what you do is you just put the tea into the tea ball, which I already did, and then you just stick it in here, and then you boil the water, which I already did, and then you just grab it and then you just pour it in. As much as you want. Then you cover it and you steep it for 5 minutes, and then you'll have a nice cup of tea like this I already made. Thank you and have a great day.